Dave generally appears to approve more applicants for small cash advances than Albert, because its approval process is built around recurring deposits and account activity, rather than a broader financial profile. By the end of this video, you'll know which app is easier to qualify for, what each app checks before approving you, and which one is the better choice depending on your income situation. The short answer is Dave. If your main goal is getting approved for a small advance, Dave is usually the easier app to start with. Dave connects to your bank account and looks for regular deposits, spending patterns, and signs that your account is active and in good standing. Many users with steady paychecks, gig income, or other recurring deposits report qualifying even without a traditional credit check. Albert also connects to your bank account, but its cash advance feature is more selective. The app reviews income consistency, account history, and overall cash flow before determining eligibility. Some users who qualify for Dave report receiving a lower limit or no advance through Albert. The trade-off is that Albert offers a broader financial platform. In addition to cash advances, it includes budgeting tools, savings features, and investment options. Dave is more focused on helping users avoid overdrafts and bridge short-term cash gaps. If you're deciding purely on approval odds, here's the practical breakdown. Choose Dave if you have regular direct deposits, consistent gig or freelance income, an active checking account with several weeks of transaction history, a history of avoiding repeated overdrafts. Choose Albert if you have more stable overall finances, consistent income and spending patterns, interest in budgeting, saving, and investing features alongside a cash advance. A few factors matter on both apps. Neither company publicly promises approval based on a specific credit score, and approval can change over time. Recent overdrafts, irregular deposits, very new bank accounts, or large negative balances can reduce your chances on either platform. You can improve your odds by linking the checking account where your income is deposited, keeping the account active for several weeks before applying, avoiding frequent overdrafts, and making sure your personal information matches your bank records. So which app approves more people? Based on user reports and the way the products are designed, Dave is generally the easier approval for small cash advances. Albert is usually more selective, but it offers a broader set of financial tools if you qualify. The key takeaway is simple. Dave is typically the better choice if approval odds are your top priority. Albert is stronger if you want a full financial app, and keeping a stable checking account with regular deposits gives you the best chance of qualifying on either platform. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward app comparisons.